Good morning, all. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Hyderabad Biker Vlogs. So, today we are going on a morning ride with Benelli Imperiale 400. So, this ride we are going to Moula Ali Hill. So, I started early in the morning so that I can enjoy the weather in Hyderabad. It's cloudy and it's almost 16 to 18 degrees. Very nice weather. So guys, this is the view from the top of the hill. So you can see in this video, I don't know how much the camera is justifying this, but I can say that the weather is very pleasant. So there are some construction is also going on the Moula Ali Dargah. So this is the staircase, and see how calm it is. Very silent and an awesome view, guys. So guys, we are returning back now after staying almost an hour. New ramp which was constructed recently, so it will take you half the hill. So you should this is a nice way where you can go on your bike. So I'm just trying to cover this ramp so that if anybody is visiting from Hyderabad to this Moula Ali Hill, it will be easy for them to understand that half of the where they are using the steps, now they can just come through this ramp, and half of the hill is covered by this ramp. So this is what I'm showing in my video. Just have a look, and also guys, please do share your valuable comments. In case you have any sort of a feedback, please do share in the comments, and surely we'll try to implement that in our next video. Alright guys, so this is the ramp which is ended here, so you can have a look from here. Okay, so now we are proceeding towards the road. And for all my new viewers, please do subscribe my channel Hyderabad Biker Vlogs, and also hit that bell button for all the new updates. Whenever I upload a new video, you will get a notification. So almost I'm going to end my video now, guys. Please do like, share and comment on my videos, and you have a great weekend ahead. Bye bye. See you all in next video.